With the new Combine function, you can now create custom panel contours directly from the program's basic elements, quickly and without the need for additional CAD software. Simply select the elements you want to merge with the panel contour and choose Combine then with Panel Contour. The original elements are retained and automatically set to Do Not Produce Object. You can show or hide them at any time. The resulting panel contour can then be edited like any other base shape. For example, you can apply a 45-degree chamfer to the entire outer contour. This eliminates the need to create DXF files in third-party software and can help reduce machining effort through a more optimized contour. Try the new function for yourself. For more tips, tricks, and information about Front Panel Designer, visit our website and follow us on social media.